Hello everyone, this is Popboxss.
Guess what, everyone? I'm going to open a new channel on the YouTube. So everyone, you can come to YouTube and see me right there. Do you know what's this one? It's called about Buzz Lightyear. And this one, in China, it is all the China edition. And also, they only have the 699 in the whole world. So actually, I'm curious about the number of my baby right here. So you can see the whole body is very big because it is about the 1000% of the baby right here. And you can see right here, the box is very big. And you can see for the whole packaging, that's so cool, right? Okay, and for the slogan of the bus, that is about the fly to the moon and vast and boundless, right?
To infinity and beyond!
Okay, let's open this one. Oh my god, so you can see right here, they also get the guard right here. And they also wrap a plastic package right here. And also, I saw the numbers got about 472 for the number right here. This is a nice number right here, right? Okay, let's check about whole body right here. Oh my god, everyone, look at what is here. It's so amazing for our whole body right here. And let's open the max carefully. That's so nice, you can see here. And you can see for the whole body. The baby is also intentionally worn out for the whole packaging. This one, it is about the battle damage version compared to the normal one. You can see for the whole body of the color skin, they look like old, but they are not really old. They just intentionally do that one. Our baby right here also have the handgun right here. So cool, isn't it, right here? And they are all really realistic for the baby right here, right? And you can see right here the hands can be movable. Oh, do you see the sun right here? That's so amazing. I think it's very like the eyes of dragonfly for the mysterious color of the universe. And right here, let's look at the back side here. Oh my god, everyone, look at here. That's so amazing, super cool for the whole body right here. What's the function of that one? Okay, let me show you about that one. So you can see right here, there's about the place you can charge in that one. Okay, you can see we charge the place. Okay, and then the next step, test this one. To show this one, here we have the lights turned out right here. And also, for the whole body right here. And so we know about the slogan of the bus is about the fly to the universe, vast and boundless, right? So everyone, I think we are really becoming astronaut right there, right? And this one is about the 400%. They're so cool, right? You can see they are very similar. They just, the difference between them just between the size right there. Okay, let me open the 400% here. Yes, oh my god, let's open the mysterious max of the baby. Look at the stunning baby, everyone. Look at here. I realized smaller one, and also for the smaller one, you can also move the whole body here. Just chip, do anything that you want. This baby also have the gun right here, the smaller gun, the smaller hand shot right here. Look at here, you can just put them together for the whole body right here. And every baby right here, they all have equipped with the shotgun. You can also put it right here, right? And also the whole body can be movable. That's so stunning, right? Also open the mask right here. I really love the color of the blue eyes. You can see they all have the same color of the whole body right here. And they are all the battle version. And this one, it is limited edition in China. And also every baby, this smaller one also have the place to charge. And also equip the line right here. And also for the smaller one, it also has a place to charge. So you can, this two, they're the same. Just all the difference is between the size, right? If you also want me to open something, you can type that one on the comments and I will help you to do that one, right, everyone? So about this baby, if you love it or if you do not love it, you can type it on the comments. And also, if you want me to if you want me to unbox any baby right here, type it on the comments. I will also help you do that one.